Indian Defence Research and Development Organization successfully conducted release trials of long-range glide bomb Gaurav. The trials successfully demonstrated range close to 100 kilometers with pinpoint accuracy. Images circulating on social media has revealed two newly manufactured Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jets. The aircraft were allegedly spotted during transfer flight to an unidentified Russian airbase, although delivery was not announced by Russian aerospace forces, but the visible fresh markings indicate that the aircraft have been newly constructed. The Ukrainian Air Force has confirmed death of 26-year-old fighter pilot Pavlo Ivanov, who was killed during a combat mission in an F-16 fighter jet. However, Ukrainian military did not disclose exact location of the mission or whether enemy fire was involved and fighter jet crashed. Qatar is moving to expand its drone fleet with a planned purchase of 8 MQ-9B Reaper reconnaissance and strike UAV along with extensive weapons package. The payloads suggest Qatar plans to deploy Reapers not just for reconnaissance but also in strike roles, likely targeting Iranian-backed Houthi forces.